donations have helped us to acquire state-of-the-art equipment, which we currently utilize every day. We are looking forward to expanding our cardiology programs. We now have the ability to offer almost all cardiac care here in the Coachella Valley, and patients don't have to leave the desert area to get their care provided for. We need to continue to improve our equipment. We need to continue to upgrade our equipment. We need to continue to strive for cardiovascular excellence. In order to do that, we must maintain state-of-the-art equipment to help us diagnose and treat cardiovascular problems. We are looking forward to your donations to help us achieve these goals.